Make a great choice today with
The 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, remote start, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.